POAI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Predictive Oncology stock, it's a definitely a ticker that's so interesting. Like market cap wise, it's not there at all, so it's not very volatile. I think that people are just kind of interested in this because it could be this like 10x 100x, right? And with Predictive Oncology stock, I mean, I specifically said that because it's a supply area, I'm a little iffy. So that means that if the price gives me a double break, then and only then I'll take things low. But if not, you know, then I think okay with waiting. So it will really depend whether it breaks the lows here or the highs there. But yeah, most definitely I'm going to continue to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.